Hello everyone, I'm Anish and welcome to today's session on AI safety. Let's start by exploring a fascinating concept. What exactly is AI hallucination? AI hallucination happens when an AI system confidently generates information that's factually wrong or completely made up. It's not lying intentionally, but it can still create misleading content. Think of it like a student who hasn't studied but writes fluent answers with total confidence. For example, an AI might claim Germany won the 1986 World Cup instead of Argentina. This image illustrates how AI can present incorrect information with unwavering certainty. It's crucial to verify AI outputs, especially for critical decisions. In our next section, we'll dive into why these hallucinations occur and how to minimize their impact. Stay tuned. Building on what we just covered about AI hallucinations, let's now explore why they happen in the first place. First, it's important to understand how AI actually works. AI models learn statistical patterns from vast amounts of data, not actual truth. They predict the most likely next word based on what they've seen before, not whether something is factually correct. This leads us to the root causes of hallucinations. There are several key factors: gaps in training data, the model prioritizing probability over truth, lack of real world grounding, and overconfidence in fluent sounding text. Even when AI sounds authoritative, it may not be accurate. Now let's look at the different types of hallucinations you might encounter. These include factual errors, invented sources, confusion between entities, contradictory statements, and context drift where the AI loses track of the conversation. There's also the knowledge cutoff issue. AI doesn't know anything that happened after its training date. Here's the key insight to remember. AI generates fluent text based on patterns, not verified facts. This means that just because something sounds confident and well written doesn't mean it's true. First, consider the real world consequences. In healthcare, AI misdiagnoses could harm patients. In legal fields, incorrect information might impact critical decisions. These risks extend to journalism, education, and business, areas where accuracy is non negotiable. Always remember, AI outputs require human verification. Now let's discuss practical safety steps. How can we use AI responsibly? Verify critical facts independently. Ask AI to cite sources and stay skeptical of specific numbers or claims. Treat AI as a starting point, not the final authority. To summarize, AI hallucinations have real impacts, but with verification and critical thinking, we can harness AI safely. Thank you for your engagement. Feel free to reach out with questions.